My beautiful friends, how are you doing? Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Okay, let's go. The first move is going to be to drag this and this way, so I can move this and this up, so I can move this way, so this can go up, so this can go this way. Enough of all of that. Let's start doing it. Go this way, go that way, up, watch that, this way, up, this way, down, this way, up, return all green to the left, watch that, bring these two down, push this way, move those two up, push the key in, move this up, return these last two greens to the left, bring this down, and the key passes. Now let's play without talking.